All right, let's play with some geometry again. So here we've got a square, side length 12, and from the top two corners we draw quarter circles that bend down inside the square. What's left in yellow is this sort of butterfly wings shape that we want the area of. Now, okay, the square has side 12, so we imagine that length along the top. From those two top corners, the arcs both have radius 12, and if the little purple box around the corner looks slightly weird on your screen, yeah, that's just a tiny glitch. It doesn't like drawing corners properly. Anyway, because both radii are the same, the segments from the left corner to the right corner and down to this point where the arcs meet, they form an equilateral triangle. So each side of that triangle is 12. We'll shade that triangle in blue just to keep track of it. Now, since it's equilateral, the height is 12 times square root of 3 over 2, and the base is 12. So the area of our triangle is 1/2 times base times height equals 36 times square root of 3. Next, let's look at the 60-degree sector at the top left corner. Between the ray going to the meeting point of the arcs and the ray going straight across the top, we've got a 60-degree slice of a circle with radius 12. The area of a full circle of radius 12 is pi times 12 squared, which is 144 pi. A 60-degree sector is 1/6 of the circle. So this sector has area 1/6 times 144 pi, which is 24 pi. Now compare that 60-degree sector and the blue triangle we just found. If you look at the picture, one of those little curved wing pieces is the sector minus the triangle mirrored. So let's call the area of that curvy gap A. A equals the area of the 60-degree sector minus the area of the equilateral triangle. So A equals 24 pi minus 36 times square root of 3. Next, we also need the 30-degree sector at the same corner between the side of the square and the line down to the meeting point. A 30-degree sector is 1/12 of the full circle. So its area is 1/12 times 144 pi, which is 12 pi. Now here's the neat part. Each yellow wing down at the bottom can be built from these sectors in that triangle. After a little algebra, you find that the total yellow area is 2 times the 30-degree sector minus this A-shaped gap. So the yellow area equals 2 times 12 pi minus 24 pi minus 36 square root of 3. When we simplify that, we get 72 times square root of 3 minus 24 pi. And hey, if you actually followed all of that, congrats, you now know how to approximate the area. A pretty stylized bikini top. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That area and a lot of other weird and wonderful areas as well.